Creek, Forest Ranch and Richardson Springs. Additional locations include Mud Creek, Rock Creek, Pine Creek, Deer Creek, Mill Creek, Antelope Creek, and Paints Creek. Rainfall amounts of 0.50 to 1.00 inches has occurred over the northern portion of the burn scar in the eastern Tehama County. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches. Rainfalls can also be anticipated across rainfalls can also be anticipated across roads. Washed away in places. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places.
Broker, there were no education requirements or state licensing laws.
Here is an urgent message for the following counties in California, Butte and Tehama. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a flash flood warning for the Park Burn Scar in northwestern Butte County in Northern California, eastern Tehama County in Northern California until 12:30 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:37 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the northern portion of the Park Burn Scar. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the Mill Creek drainage basin within the Park Fire burn scar. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Park burn scar. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Park burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Paints Creek, Forest Ranch and Richardson Springs. These locations include Mud Creek, Pine Creek, Deer Creek, Mill Creek, Deer Creek, Antelope Creek. These areas are in the southwest range of the Red Creek areas and east over the northern portion of the burn scar in the Mill Creek drainage basin. Flash flood threat is currently over eastern Tehama County, including Mill, Antelope, and Deer Creeks. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the Park burn scar. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places.